Alright, what do we got next? Right on top. I want this one. Oh, what the hell is that? I still don't know what that is. Card, I don't need cards, I need parts. I don't know what it is. More than one part, that's all I can say. Don't know what it is. Come on, I just sharpened that knife. Now it doesn't want to cut. I killed it already. Cutting part. Still don't know what it is. There's some bolts in there. What the hell did I buy? A bunch of rocker arm crap, looks like. What is all this junk? Ah, M8 parts. When I see a rocker shaft that's 2 miles long, it's got a big flat spot on each end, you know it's an M8 part. These are some kind of breather things. They always make a big deal about they have the breather with everything. I don't know what's so special about a breather. Throw it in a dumpster. A big piece of plastic crap. I don't know why you need it. Sure don't need it on a race motor. I don't know. Don't know, don't care. I need these parts. Alright, so there's our shaft. You can see the wear mark transfer, but you don't feel it, so that means it's good. Good enough. Make sure it's not bent. Didn't see it moving around, it's straight. So S&S makes these heavy duty, so I guess these are weak. I don't know. All you can do is heat treat them and get some more strength out of them, but through heat treating, you make them stronger. So a little bit better metal will help too. I don't know. Not S&S stuff. Harley holds theirs on with bolts, which are not very good. You should always run studs. Studs are always stronger than bolts. Studs cost money, bolts are cheap. You already know Harley's cheap. So you got Allen bolts, those are probably for a cover. Oh, they probably hold the stupid breathers on it. These 12-point bolts are what's going to probably hold the shafts on, because 12-point bolts are stronger than regular Allen bolts. You have a nice good shoulder goes in there, and you get torque the piss out of them real tight, whereas an Allen would round out. 12-point don't round out. But they cost more, so I don't like using them. Got a lot of threads going in there, so that means you're pulling a lot of torque and some crappy aluminum. There you go. These must be the arms. Nothing about MH yet, so this is how you find out what parts are. You buy them. Okay, we have a left and a right, or a front and a rear, or an exhaust and an intake. I don't know. Looks like the curve is pretty good on them. It's a pretty high curve. It's like a roller almost how it's made. Whoop, get down lower so you can see it. It's got a pretty good curve radius to it, so that's for keeping your lift pretty good. It's got a good wear tip on it, so it can't be too bad on rocker geometry. Let's see, we got piss holes on all of them, so I guess they all piss oil out. I'm not sure what this is supposed to mean here. I'm sure they got a theory the oil is going to run down that groove. These are going so fast you can barely even see them. The oil ain't going down that doob hole, it's bouncing all over the damn place. It hits up against the lid, bounces back down on the valve. It don't go down the valve. This is a joke. That's an idle. You ever see a bike run idle with the valves open? You can barely even see stuff moving. It's going so quick. Just a blur. How the hell oil is going to drain down there if it's going like this? It ain't going to do nothing. Give me a break. Not much contact on their ball. That means the radiuses don't match up with this crap. Yeah. Not very good. Way off. Now, S&S makes these out of with roller tips. You don't necessarily need roller tips unless you really get a lot of lift going. One thing about old style arms, they don't break very often. They don't wear out very often. You definitely don't have rollers coming out and failing, that's for damn sure. And you got bushings in here which rarely fail. Rollers down here don't work very well. I found that out years ago. So, there you go.